Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am your host James, and this is my how-to video of how to cook a steak. Real quick, I'm going to run through some of the supplies I have. So up first, got some country crock butter. This is just to put in the pan, you know, get it all nice and moist for the steak. Like that word, moist. Up next, the first two ingredients my dad always told me to put on anything is salt and pepper. Right here I got some salt. Can't have salt without the pepper. And I got this. I don't really know what it is or how it tastes, but you know, I decided I'm gonna try it on my steaks today. It is Grill Mates Montreal steak seasoning. Yeah. And of course, 2 ribeye steaks. Not too thick, not too expensive. On a budget, so you know. And a fork to flip my steak with. And of course, this old beast. I like this one better than newer pans because I feel like it cooks better. It's just old and classic. All right, well, let's get into it. Let's cook these steaks. So now I'm going to turn on the stove. About right there. That's usually where I cook. I don't know what the temperature is, but that's where I like to cook my steak. So let's get that warm. Yeah. So now I'm going to prepare the steaks. I'm going to open it. Get this plastic out the way now. And we're going to season it a little bit. I'm going to start off the Montreal steak. See how it goes. Give it a little spring. Oh, comes out of there now. Ooh, ah. There we go. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Just gonna dabble it in my hand. A little bit of salt and sprinkle. Yeah. Sprinkle. Take a little bit of pepper on it. It's a lot. Not bad. Not bad. And now put some butter in the pan so it's not all like the steak won't stick to it basically. Get you a nice little something. Ooh, listen to that. Ooh. And now, finally, let's put the steak in the pan. All right, let's get these bad boys in the pan. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Ooh, ooh. Oh my. All right, now, well, steak now, depending on how you like it, because you can eat it basically kind of rare, be a cooked both sides just a little bit. Me, like mine more rare. And now after it cooks for about a minute or so, you want to flip it, you go ahead and get both sides kind of cooked a little bit. Ooh, look at that. All right, now, these are more thinner steaks too, so they're gonna cook through a little bit faster than, you know, some thicker ones. But that's all good. You know, after a little while, you know, your steaks are done. You got them to how you want to eat them. Turn the stove off. Make sure you turn the stove off. Now, that's very important. You take these bad girls off. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh. Can't even get it off. Ooh. After that, you want to wait a couple minutes, maybe like 3 to 5 minutes, let it cool down just a little bit so it don't burn your mouth and stuff. After that, enjoy.